These pipes control where the island is formed, 7.5 meters above the Gulf. 3 years of work to create ground that didn't exist. Pile heads trimmed to exact level. The raft must sit flat, every pile cut to within 5 millimeters. Blinding concrete poured over the full base. The floor workers will stand on, also part of the structure. Waterproof membrane heat welded over the full base. The Gulf will try to push water up through here for 100 years. Raft formwork goes up around the perimeter, 70,000 tons of concrete, marked out in timber and steel. The island is ready, dry, stable, waterproofed. 2 years of sea work for this platform in the Gulf. The rebar starts, hundreds of workers tying steel across the full footprint. This cage becomes the skeleton of the raft. Every pile head wrapped in rebar. The raft grips every pile. Load shared between all 230. Pile cap cages lowered over each cluster. The cap distributes column load between piles. Every tie made by hand. The first concrete pour begins, 70,000 cubic meters. The pour starts, and it does not stop. Vibrators driven through every pour. A void in this raft is a fault the building sits on, every centimeter covered. Night shift. The pour continues. Any stop means a cold joint, a weak plane, forever. Laser-guided screeds drag the surface flat. Every column that rises from this starts from the same plane. Cooling pipes cast inside the raft. Concrete generates heat as it sets. Without these pipes, it cracks from within. Temperature logged every hour. Keep the interior below 70 degrees. The pipes run cold water for weeks. Wet Hessian burlap across the full surface. Too fast, it shrinks. Too dry, it cracks. Water stop joints cut at calculated intervals. The raft expands and contracts with temperature. The joints let it move, safely.
More than 70,000 tons of concrete, poured in one continuous operation on an island humans made. And the building hasn't started yet.
Column starter bars drilled and grouted into the raft. Every location set from the building's survey grid. Epoxy coating sealed over the full raft. Seawater and salt air. For 100 years. The raft is complete. 230 piles below. 70,000 tons above. Now, the hotel rises. Jump form formwork assembled at the core. It climbs the building as the walls rise. No scaffolding from ground to top. First core wall pour. Every floor, every load, every storm force, carried by what's being poured right now. Jump form jacks up. The formwork lifts itself floor by floor. Workers ride it up the building they're building. Table forms fly into position, each one 18 meters long. No shoring from below. They hang from the wall. Post-tension tendon ducts across every slab. Meinhardt International re-engineered every floor. Less steel, faster cycle. PT strand threaded through every duct. After the pour, these strands get stressed. The slab grips itself. Tendons stressed from the slab edge. Each strand pulled to design tension. Jack releases. Concrete permanently in compression. Table forms stripped and flown to the next floor. Same form, next floor, every time. Floor by floor, pour, stress, strip, fly forms up. Workers do it 56 times. Exoskeleton anchor plates cast into the core walls. The steel frame bolts here, precisely located once, forever. Service sleeves cast through every wall, pipes, cables, ducts. Cut them in later, and the structure is weakened. Half